Hi, hello, and everyone. Welcome back to Prem Yatvik. Today's topic is about we are going to see a React Native keychain. So today we are going to see both an Android and iOS how we are storing the credentials or secure data to our mobile app. What are all the problem we have faced in our real-time application? Come on, let's jump into the topic. Secure your React Native app with React Native keychain. So what is React Native Keychain? So React Native Keychain is nothing but same as an async storage where we can able to store important credentials tokens to the storage with encrypted way. In async storage we can't able to store in an encrypted way, but keychain we can able to store in encrypted way. This is an npm you just with Google. So see here React Native Keychain we are having the version of 10 and then package size is also small, only 230 KB. Weekly downloads is 2 lakh. So let's see here, lot of things are there. Coming back here, the security is the most major one. Security is not a product but a process, that is told by Bruce. In the world of mobile app development, storing sensitive information like token, password, session data securely is non-negotiable. React Native apps are not different. This is where React Native Keychain comes into the play. In the blog post, we are going to explore how to use React Native Keychain to securely store and retrieve credentials in React Native application with practical examples and tips for both Android and iOS. So, what is React Native Keychain? React Native Keychain is a popular library that provides secure storage for credentials using iOS Keychain and Android Key Store system. Just keep an eye. In iOS we can able to say keychain. For Android we can able to say key store systems. These are platform specific storage. So iOS keychain specifies API to store small amount of sensitive data there. Android also allowed to store small amount of sensitive data. So how we can install that? Just simply an npm install React Native Keychain, or if you are using a Mac you can go with add yarn add. For the latest version we can't able to link. If you are using an older version you need to link the keychain. Just basic usage how we can import. Just import stars keychain from React Native Keychain. See here we can able to store credentials using a simple way, like we need to use an async await keychain dot set generic password. Here we can give an username. Here may be an anything, it may be an object or it may be a credential. For retrieving, the same as get generic password. Keychain dot generic password. It will give. It will be stored in credentials. If credentials are there, it will be printed here. Some cases we need to clear the credential. For that, we can go with reset generic password. So these are all very easy one. Here, I can go with an real-time example like what are all the problems I have faced. I have successfully implemented all those things in both Android and iOS. After the implementation, I have faced an issues like what is that whenever I'm just killing the app, I'm going the background, I'm just killing the app, coming again, my keychain is still there, but I can't able to get the keychain data. This problem faced only in real device, iOS. In iOS simulator, I'm just getting exactly correct. It's working perfectly. So this is the thing I have mentioned here. After successful implementation, I have faced an issues like every time when we kill the app and open again, I can't able to get the keychain data. But keychain data still exists in keychain. Problem exists only in iOS APK, not in the emulator. For the solution, we have come across with the keychain has accessible when we unlocked. So does not, so here things I we just keep in mind, like whenever we are just closing the app, uninstall the app in Android, keychain will cleared out. If you are installing a app freshly keychain will come in. But in iOS, whenever we are uninstalling the app, keychain will not clear out. You need to clear manually. That's the thing you have to keep on mind. So that the problem here, simulator works perfectly. You don't need to clear out anything, but in real device, you need to clear out after every cold start. For the solution, we need to use after first unlock accessibility mode. Same, you are giving a credential, right? Set generic password. Here you just need to go with an service name accessible. So in this keychain dot accessible dot after first unlock, you have to use in that. So what is the use case? So when you're using after first unlock, it ensures credentials are stored persistently, available after reboot, secure even though for most authentication use case. Secure enough for most authentication use cases. So best practice, avoid storing personal identification information to the keychain. Try to use biometric. One major advantage here, we can able to go with face ID and touch ID for this keychain authentication. Allow possible accessible and access control values on iOS to ensure data is secure post reboot after a lock. Regularly test both Android and iOS to validate keychain's behavior. See here, keychains should be more secured. Async storage is not thus much secure. So we need to categorize what all things should be stored in keychain and async storage. If you're using a token and password, that should be stored in keychain. If you go with some settings or user names or user related item, go with async storage. Try to use biometric data. So conclusion, React Native Keychain provides a clean and platform native API to manage secure credential storage. Whether you are building a login system, storing an auth token, or manage biometric, this library helps ensure sensitive data never leaks from your app. Security is a mindset, and Keychain is one of the most essential tools in our React Native toolkit. So these are the thing. I have given the GitHub and iOS links here. So this is the one. You just go here. Here you can able to get a lot of installations and documentation. Yes. Uh, for the next video, I will go with an how to handle when you are installing the app second time. How to clear keychain in iOS. So that's the upcoming topic. Stay tuned. If you have any queries or questions, please reach me. Give a thumbs up. Hope you guys learned new things today. Thank you so much, guys.